In today's video, we will learn before numbers, between numbers and after numbers. To teach this lesson, I have prepared this teaching aid. Here is one strip. On that 1 to 10 numbers are written. You have to only drag the strip so that easily you will understand before, between and after numbers. Let me explain how to do this. See here, which number is before 3? Before 3 number is 2. Now tell me which number is before 4? Before 4 number is 3. See, we have to only drag the strip. Now tell me which number is before 5? Before 5 number is 4. Like this, you can easily tell the numbers which are before numbers. Now tell me after numbers. Tell me which number is after 6? After 6 number is number 7. Now tell me which number is after 7? After 7 is number 8. Now tell me between numbers. Tell me which number is between 6 and 8. Between 6 and 8 number is number 7. Tell me which number is between 4 and 6. Between 4 and 6 number is number 5. Which number is between 2 and 4? Between 2 and 4 number is number 3. See here, I have covered 1 to 10 numbers. Same way you can do it for 11 to 20 numbers also. Now with the help of this teaching aid, we will solve this worksheet. Write before numbers. Now tell me which number is before 3? With the help of this teaching aid, tell me which number is before 3? Number before 3 is number 2. So let's write down number 2. Now tell me which number is before 8? You have to simply drag the strip. Which number is before 8? Before 8 number is number 7. Let's write down number 7 here. Now tell me which number is before 6? Before 6 is number 5. Which number is before 2? Before 2 is number 1. Which number is before 5? Before 5 number is number 4. Write down number 4 here. Correct. Number is after 2. After 2 is number 3. Write down number 3 here. Like this you can solve after numbers. Now we will see how to solve right between numbers. Which number is between 1 and 3? See here. Which number is between 1 and 3? Between 1 and 3 number is number 2. Write down number 2 here. Which number is between 5 and 7? Between 5 and 7 number is number 6. Which number is between 8 and 10? Between 8 and 10 number is number 9. Write down number 9 here. And the last, between 4 and 6 number is number 5. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Ding Dong Kids.